We are working on 2015 Toyota Camry. Customer's radio, factory radio. It keeps rebooting. Sometimes, as you can see, car's running, doesn't come on. Sometimes it reboots. Reverse cam sometimes work. Reverse cam comes on, but doesn't show up any stations or anything. She purchased this Android radio. As you can see, it's much bigger size. Let's see how it is. This radio comes with Wi-Fi antenna, microphone, backup cam, video audio input, everything you need to have it installed. Let's see how it is. So when I take the radio out, first step is to remove this little coin change holder here, which pries off. Have this one out. Should have two screws right here. One here, one there. We're going to remove them. That thing broke. Step is we're going to remove this top panel partially out, put it to the side. We have two 10 mils here. So we'll remove these two 10 mils on the top. Okay, so once you pop this out, you're going to turn this sideways. Sure. I guess you can disconnect that. Pop this out. There's a plug here. I unplugged it. And you're going to remove 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have it out. So then you're going to pop this out. It pops out. There's 2 plugs. One here, one there. Now you can access 2 10 mils under the radio. There is 2 10 mils. Remove them. Radio out. Let's see if we put the CD in there. Nothing in there. Let's take the whole thing out. We're going to disconnect all the harnesses. This unit comes with a T-harness that's made for amplified, not amplified. So you're going to find the one that fits in here. As you can see, there's multiple plugs. So you're just going to match the color, match the plug it into the car side. This one. No? What's this one for? 2 plug.
Where is the backup? This got factory backup, right?
Yeah.
cameras here.
That's the cam,
Camera, yes.
but it doesn't plug in. It's a different plug. So we found this cam plug that fits in. So everything plugs in to the factory harness. So let's put the radio on. Temporarily plug everything in and see if it works. So can wire?
Yes, it's
This one.
so here.
This is a very important. This is going to give you the steering wheel control. So be sure to plug that in. That's the CAN wire. This one?
No, it's coming this way.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's plug in all those harnesses.
Let's go.
Yeah, plug everything. Don't leave nothing out. Just in case they want to do an amplifier later on. What's this? What are these two for?
This holds money.
Radio on. Let's see if the audio works.
Yeah, audio.
Llama al 800-264-1785. 800-264-1785.
Video. Oh, there's a video player. Move the hero control from it. And hold down with the two screws on each side. Radio mode there.
Esta vez la tiene que cortar todo, mi gente, porque no sale.
Okay, let's put it on new radio.
These clips.
And after we use these clips, take them off. plastic piece here is hitting the heater control. So what we're going to do is we're going to notch this one off. We don't need this. I thought these were hitting, but I think these notches are hitting. So I'm going to cut that off. See what that is. So as we cut that off on the side, it fits. So get the heater control back in, put everything back in place.
You gotta on the microphone?
Yeah, we gotta do the microphone. Let's just plug it in, make sure everything is still working. So we're gonna put all the antennas on. We're gonna run the microphone up here. Let's get that Wi-Fi antenna. So you can do Wi-Fi. So once you have Wi-Fi turned on, you can actually watch YouTube or Google Map on it. Let's stick the microphone up here on the top. On it alongside of the pillow. That's not it.
It's not igual. Subí. Este la leva. Oh, shit. Pull back. That's it. Ask him.
I put the heater control in first. So we're going to make sure everything works. It also gives you heater control information. Look, it gives you heater control information. Wow. Amazing.
Oh, yeah. Cuéntale.
That doesn't work, but it gives you heater control.
Carly.
Carplay. You gotta pair your Bluetooth.
Place it.
weather.
Currently in Union, it's 91 degrees and mostly cloudy. Today, there will be thunderstorms with a forecasted high of 92 and a low of 72. Just say, "Hey Google, play the news."
We're gonna try hotspot. It's connected.
Much. Oh, we don't want.
Not putting the factory USB adapter cable it comes with. Simply plug it in.
Hook you up, and a lucky winner's going to get upgraded to VIP seating.
Really good. I'm ready for the guy.
Wait, we gotta put this in.
Should be.
Put that in. Oh, the boot has to be up.
Una patita que dijo que está rota. This.
Can you pair your phone again?
Yeah. Los tornillitos, ¿dónde van los tornillitos?